afternoon. Welcome to another video. Back out in the Lake District. Ooh, that's bright. Today I'm at Hard Knott Roman Fort. If you know, you know. Absolutely stunning spot. So I'm going to be doing an overnighter tonight up on Hard Knott itself, which is over there, up the way, and then just over there. But I'm carrying a few injuries at the minute, so I've been lazy and I've driven just down to the fort. So I'm just going to have a look around. I'm just going to show you around the fort, and then I'm going to drive back up to a spot just at the top of the pass. So I don't think my knee can take it. I'm going to need a knee operation, unfortunately. So I'm just trying to take as much load off it as possible at the minute. So I just thought I'd show you around this stunning fort. It's a beautiful day here in the Lake District. It's going to be a windy one overnight though. Apparently gusts to 65 kilometers an hour, which in old money I reckon that's about 40 mile an hour. So be the first proper wind test for the Scarp one. But I've got the cross poles and everything, so I'm sure it will cope with it. But yeah, what a beautiful day. So let's go for a little walk around the fort, and then we'll jump back in the car, get the bag on, and we'll get up to Hard Knott. We'll get pitched up for a while camp. Let's have a good camp. It's absolutely crazy that this was once a thriving community building. How good is history? Towards the northeast end of the hall, the short projecting wall represents the remains of a tribunal. It is a bit of a cheat doing Hard Knott from where I've done it. I think though, I've not got the Wainwright's book, but I'm pretty sure Wainwright says to do it from the pass. But anyway, just going up there is absolutely knacking my knee, so I can't be doing much long distance stuff. So I'm just going to stop here for, in fact I'm going to have a brew. What time is it? It's only 5 to 4. I'm going to have a brew here, and then I've got a couple of hours till dark, really, till sunset, so I'll go have a look for somewhere to pitch. Clouds come in now a bit, so the winds are due to come in from the southwest tonight, according to the weather app, so I'm going to look for somewhere on the north side of the hill, on the lee side, so I can get myself out of the wind. But yeah, loads of crags to just sit and chill on tonight, and I've got a beer with me, I've got a chicken curry. I'm looking forward to a night out under the stars or the cloud. Here I am on Hard Knott, and I think I've got myself a cracking little pitch. So apparently the wind is going to come from the southeast or south-southeast, depending on how accurate you want to be, and that's that way. So I'm going to tuck myself in. There you are, look. I'm sorry if the wind noise is picking up now. So yeah. So hopefully I should be pretty set up in here. Perfect little flat patch of grass down here. Perfect size for a Scarp one. So I'm going to get myself set up now. It's threatening to rain. And I'll bring you back with my setup. Also, apologies for the wind noise if it's coming through now, because I've lost a little dead cat. If anyone uses the road, don't know what it's called, this one, Road Video Go or something it's called, can you let me know you put the little dead cat on the mic, because it just falls off every 2 minutes and I've lost it. Right, let's get set up. So, because I'm adapting to a one-man tent, last time I proper struggled to blow my my mat up because I didn't have enough room inside. And the stuff sack that comes with it, I don't know, some people get on with them, I don't, to be honest. So, got myself flex tail gear, a little pump. Left Paul Mesner a comment on one of his videos saying every time I watch one of his videos I spend money. Cheers, Paul. But this is going to help me. Oh, it's a bit of a game changer actually for me with the space saving it's going to give me in the tent. If it works. Thermarest tonight. X-Therm. Press and hold. No, that's the light. Double tap. And that should sort my mat out. Yeah, boy. Every time I think I've seen it all with camping gear, it surprises you. New pillow as well. I think I've got a problem. Well, I don't, is it a problem if you like it? I just can't stop buying stuff. But I use it though. But I've seen this in loads of videos. This is a Trekology, like a luxury pillow. See how I get on with that. It's got a strap, so it straps to your sleeping mat, which is good because my pillow always slips off. Soft as well. I think that's it for new gear. And there's my setup. Scarp 1. Crossing poles and all. God, I love this tent. People do say it's very easy to set up. I'm still finding my way with it, to be honest. I'm finding it a bit tricky, but anyway, it's not going to blow away. It's got crossing poles in tonight. I've just brought a bit of cord with me and just used my trekking pole to bring the inside up there, so I've got a bit more headroom as well, and just to strengthen this side. And I've got some delta pegs, which that's in there with crossing poles, as you can see. Guide out, put some more delta peg to guide that out, and then this side's just pegged in as normal. But again, let's have a look at that for a second. Are you liking that for a setting? Right, time for a bit of a chill. Because the difference from being sat down here where I am and on the tops is ridiculous. I just recorded 68 kilometre gust, which I think is about 43 miles an hour, and it's forecast to get worse. And yet, where I am below, like 15 feet below, behind this rock, it's just absolutely still, but you can hear the wind whistling through. So I've just sat on my Z-Lite. I cut 4 pieces of it off, 4 chunks off. Used a bit of a sit pad and just sat there, resting against a rock as a backrest, and just enjoying the night. Where am I? I'm just enjoying the night. I can't remember the last time I sat out in the mountains and wasn't tent bound. Just perfect evening. And I've had a cup of tea. This thing, I don't know what's going on with the focus here. I've had a cup of tea. No, a cup of coffee actually. I've got these new coffee pods. I'll share them with you. I'll put them on put some on the screen now, but I saw them on Paul's video, on Paul Mesner's video, the Kenko pods. Brilliant they are. Put like a frothy coffee, cappuccino. But the sound, I've had 2 today. I'm just going to wait to have my beer. Downloaded a film to watch on my phone later on when I get in the tent. But in fairness, I was anticipating being tent bound as soon as I set it up, but not at all. I'm just sat out here chilling. Cook some tea in a bit. It's just so nice to get back out. I've really enjoyed like the wood stuff that I've done, but something about the mountains, man. You just sat in them. It's just ace, innit? Just love it. I can't wait for the summer. I can't wait to get out and sit out till late when it's still light till like 10 o'clock and just take in these surroundings. Just absolutely awesome. All the shit you've got going on in your life and in your head, well, mine just disappears when I'm sat in places like this. It's just the best, man. Just absolutely love it. I'm so grateful that I found this pastime. Mega, innit? Really dark now, but clouds have come in, so there's no stars, no twinklers out tonight. So I think I'm going to chill for a bit more here, have some tea. I'm not going to show you me cooking my tea. It's boring AF. You've seen it before. I'm having a chicken curry dehydrated thing I'll do with my jet boil. I've got that and a beer to just sit and relax. And to make sure I do relax. So, to be honest, unless anything interesting happens and the wind changes directions, please God no, I'm going to sign off here for the night, and I'm just going to take in this solitude. So I'll see you in the morning. Morning, campers. Good night's sleep, that, considering. Get some focus going on. The wind was ripping through the valley last night and through the peaks. It was, but I was alright here. Did like curl around the corner a couple of times and whip into me, but not too bad. But if you hear, it's been raining all night. But as always, the Scarp stood up to the job. Condensation check, absolutely none. My sleeping bag's a bit wet at the foot end, but that's because I'm on a slight slope and I kept sliding down, so my feet have been touching the edge of the tent, but absolutely fine. I had a bit of a panic with my thermarest when I got back in the tent last night. I thought it had gone down, it kept going down. I was like, oh no, has it got a puncture? But the valve, they put the, I can't think what it's called, like a quick release valve on the end, which is awesome. You have to tighten the nozzle. And I'd not done that, so it was leaking, so I figured out that it was that, and once I got it sorted, I was fine. So yeah, but as always, thermarest kept me absolutely toasty warm. The sleeping bag was fine, so didn't even use a down jacket. That Trichology pillow is a game changer, so comfy as well. So, but it's 6:30 now, so I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna have a brew and hopefully wait for the rain to die down. So
I don't think I'm going to do much filming of packing down the tent because I've got the media mod on the GoPro and it's not waterproof. Error. So I don't want to risk my any of my cameras filming in the rain. But so let's get up, get some brekkie, get squared away, and I'll bring you back before we head down to the car. So here's brekkie. These little coffee pods I was talking about last night. Focus. Called Kenko Duos. Decent. You get like the little frothy milk bit at the top, and then you get the coffee at the bottom that you mix. Gives you a nice little cappuccino. Wayfarers all day breakfast. Trusty jet boil. I'll get that down, mate, and then think about packing this tent up. But it is awful out there. Worst part about camping. Packing up in the rain. Whilst breakfast is cooking, I know I showed this on a previous video. This is the Instinct Tech and Trek, like a sling bag. But this has been such a good add to my kit, addition to my kit, in terms of all the electricals and stuff I carry. If you make videos on YouTube, do like YouTube videos, or you bring camera kit with you, this is just brilliant. Like a nice, quite a decent bag, but I've got absolutely everything in here. Let me show you. This. So I've got in here I keep, so my cables are in here, spare batteries for my battery powered head torch, and then I've got my all my charging kit for my GoPro, same for my camera. And then I'll carry a compass in there. Then down here you've got little internal pockets, so I've got batteries that go in there. I've got my AirPods. Then you get another little zip pocket in here. So I put my filter in there for my main camera. I've got my bag of tricks here for the pump, an additional microphone, drone batteries, etc. And then at the back you get this really nice spacious pocket. Put my phone in there when I'm walking, and then I also get my camera, my charging brick goes in there. But it's just a great pouch to keep all your gear together when you're out hiking, and it's fully weatherproof as well, and it expands. It's a fairly big bag for what it is. But yeah, Instinct Backpack Tech and Trek, look them up. They're a new business. They were kind enough to send me this ages ago, so they've not asked me to talk through it again, but I just want to because it's decent. And you get all these little straps in the bottom for your like little tripods and stuff, and side pockets. Side pocket there that you can see in here. So you get so much for your money. Another pocket on the side there. But for keeping all your gear together, and it's so comfy, it just fits across your front. And then this little clip that you've got here, there you go, that just pulls off, so you can take it off easy enough, and then it's a magnet, and it's a magnet, it clips back together, it's easy as that. Really good bit of kit. Check them out if you're looking for something to keep all your day stuff in. I keep my camera gear in there for when I'm on the move.
All packed up, left no trace as per usual. Time to head back down to the car now and get home. If you've stuck along with the video for this long, thank you very, very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please consider subscribing to the channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, all the stuff that helps me grow the channel. I really do appreciate every single person who watches the videos and helps me grow this community. Definitely a lot more mountain camps to come for the rest of 2022. Spring is on its way, and there's something about these places that just hit you a little bit different. So keep well, keep sane, and I'll see you on the next one.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.